Entering bank transactions one by one in QuickBooks Desktop can take time, especially when your bank statement data is already in Excel, CSV, bank exports, or another system. Instead of entering each bank transaction manually, SaasAnt Transactions Desktop lets you import bank statement data in bulk, map the fields, review the records before sending them to QuickBooks. In this video, I'll show you how to import bank statements into QuickBooks Desktop using SaasAnt Transactions Desktop. Before you begin, let's connect SaasAnt Transactions Desktop with QuickBooks Desktop. First, install SaasAnt Transactions Desktop from the product page. Once the installation is complete, launch the application. Next, go to the File menu and click on Connect to QuickBooks when prompted. Authorize the application certificate to allow access. After completing these steps, your QuickBooks company file will be successfully connected to SaasAnt Transactions Desktop. To start 30-day free trial of SaasAnt, just click the link in the description to get started today. From the SaasAnt home screen, click Import. Now choose the QuickBooks transaction or list type. For this example, select Bank Statement. Next, browse and select your prepared bank statement file from your system. If you need a clean file format, you can click Sample Templates and prepare your bank statement file using the SaasAnt template. Once the file is added, continue to the Mapping screen. Here, I'm choosing SaasAnt Default Mapping. SaasAnt will automatically map the fields in your file with the matching QuickBooks bank statement fields. If you want to save this mapping for future bank statement imports, click Add and Save Mapping. If needed, you can also adjust the mapping manually. Make sure the necessary fields such as date, bank account, payee, account, amount, withdrawal, and deposit are mapped correctly. Once the mapping is done, continue to the Review and Import screen. Here, check the bank statement data before sending it to QuickBooks Desktop. You can make quick corrections directly in the grid if needed. You can also open Import Settings to control the date format, transaction reference number, matching transactions, payees, accounts, and other import preferences. Review the settings based on your file and QuickBooks setup. Once everything looks correct, click Send to QuickBooks. SaasAnt will now validate the file and import the bank statement data into QuickBooks Desktop. After the import is completed, you'll see the result summary. Here, you can check the successful records, failed records, and errors, if any. If any record fails, review the error message, fix the issue, and re-import the corrected records. To verify the imported bank transaction, click the QuickBooks link from the results screen. SaasAnt will open the specific record inside QuickBooks Desktop. You can also download the import result for your records. That's how you can import bank statements into QuickBooks Desktop in bulk using SaasAnt Transactions Desktop.